friends, welcome to Honey Kitchen. Today I am making mutton biryani. So please join me in my kitchen. To make mutton biryani, we'll take a big kadhai or a wok. We'll add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Now we will add 2 large finely sliced onions. We will saute it for 5 minutes till our onion turns brown in color. Once the onion is brown in color, we will add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic to it and half a tablespoon of crushed ginger. Now again we'll saute it for 2 minutes. Now we'll add 4-5 cloves, add bay leaves to it and black pepper. Black pepper, they are 10 in number. We'll add 5 green cardamom. Now we'll add 1 kg of mutton to it. I'm preparing this with both knees because it's little soft and tender. Now I will add spices to it. Add cinnamon stick to it. Little of cinnamon stick, and we'll just saute it little. Mix it well, everything. A nice smell of spices are coming. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. We'll take all teaspoon in this. All the spices we have added, they are all teaspoon. We'll now mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Now mix it well. For mutton we may require little water, just 1/4 glass of water, because it takes little longer time to cook. Now we'll close the lid and cook it in low flame for 45 minutes. So friend, till the time our mutton is getting cooked, we'll prepare rice for biryani. 3 cup of washed basmati rice. I will put it in a deep vessel with a heavy bottom. We'll add triple the amount of water, since we will be throwing the excess water, so you need not to bother. 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 green cardamoms, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, little of refined oil. Now we'll cook it. Please don't leave your biryani rice while it's getting cooked, because we have to just cook it half. We don't have to cook it full. When we press it, it should be hard from the center. So now I think it's ready. So we'll take out the excess water. We'll throw it. So now you can see it's half cooked biryani rice. Now this rice we will be using for making biryani. We'll take 1 bowl milk and we'll add few strands of saffron to it. You can leave it for 15 minutes so that the saffron gives its color to the milk. After 45 minutes, we'll open the lid and see our mutton. It's now ready. If you are in hurry, you can even cook this mutton in pressure cooker. It will take less time, 15 or 20 minutes, and after that you can transfer it to the kadhai or a wok for making biryani. Now we'll add this half cooked rice to our mutton. Now this rice will be cooked in mutton juice. That's why we have cooked it half. We will spread it evenly. We'll add the saffron milk to it. This we have to spread in each part so that every part has got saffron milk. It will give a beautiful color to the biryani and a nice smell. Now we will add mint leaves to it, green coriander. These all herbs will give a very fresh flavor to the biryani. Very less of food color, red food color to the biryani. It's optional. If you want, you can add. It will give red color to the biryani. So you can mix it little. See, you can see this red color coming up. But if you don't want to add color, please don't add. Little of water to it. Just 1/4 bowl of water, very less. Now we'll put a lid on top and cook it for another 15 minutes in low flame. After 15 minutes, we'll open the lid and you can see our biryani is ready. So friends, you can see our mutton biryani is ready and it's so simple to make. So try this recipe and let me know how it tastes. For more videos, keep on watching Honey Kitchen. Thank you.